So them a chop a line and them never build a house. Me a giant in a this, them a the rat, the little mouse. Millions I make.
So them a chop a line and them never build a bumper clat house. And that people that are running a reaction. What's poppin' to Mr. Boy Terry Vlogs, aka The Reaction Boss? And I'm back in effect with another video for you guys. People, the latest reactions come from in the car, according to you guys. You understand me? So right now I have a song called, what do you pronounce this? Racketeer by Squash. Racketeer by Squash. Well, before the reaction start, comment on this place to see your comment right over there in the next video that I post. And check out that artist and people. Check out that song right now. Link to that song will be down below in the description and also pinned in the comments. Check it out.
Bad bitch want me fuck her rough. Bad bitch want me fuck her rough. Dick in her throat, grab on her hair. Me not no rush. She fall in love with the print. Make her crush. Me call her the flow shot. Dick wet, loud of spit. Like she don't waste no spit. She just save it for the dick.
Yeah. Bad flavor podcast and check it out. Go to give a like, a comment, and make articles and mix and over there. So link to everything can be down below where in the description and also pinned in the comment section. Squash, because what you did right now, na bro God. You know so outside I get them outside and no playing thing, and you see me say no playing thing. Right tune. Hold on, pause. Look on force. Look on jeans. Look on force. Look on Henderson back up on ground. Go on.
Dog them a buggy like the fuck. Racketeer.
But they dog them a throw dice. They dog them a throw dice. They dog them ready for match to the world, you know. What go on, you know, but nothing, run off, you know. Go on, you know. Well, I know so we can bring back the whole time Terry Vlogs in the building, right? Run it.
6 weeks and forever.
Yeah.
Lots of car bikes and skyscraper.
Yeah.
That
Well,
man.
they said 6 weeks and forever. Fast car bikes and what? Skyscrapers. And that me I hear a while ago. And that really I hear a while ago. 6 me say no. I reach life with that guy say no. Yeah man, I'm talking enough. Your bumbo clock. You never know. Run tune.
Paper. Bang. I saw me tan.
Yeah.
Shut up a team and then me fling a bomb.
Boom. Bumbo clock to them. Bad. Yes, I saw him tan. Him shut a batty. Hey. Don't put squash in a paper. Don't put the 6 bars in a paper. Everybody's in a force with dog in a bumbo clock. Clock span fate. Go on.
Boom. Get them love it up a top.
Yeah.
Batman, knocky matic bang bang.
Yeah.
Money man a chop. That me dog them.
Yeah, hold on. They get enough what? Big up to all of the man that want to love girl right now. Big up to all of the dog that want to love girl right now. Because if I'm a party right now, a party make it ill. All of my YouTube video them, you know, a party, you know. So say if you're in my party, hold on. You say if you're in my party, you don't like pum pum, you don't like woman, come out. Run it.
Down, suck your mother's hell black.
Yeah.
Millionaire, me them can't hold back.
Sure.
Gyal a bubble for the bass, gyal a for your head top.
Me love that. That's why you get through bumbo clot. Through glass door. I get out of the car and say so, hey, take body girl, take. You see me I say, yes. Go on.
But the pussy when me enter.
Yeah.
The finger pan the clit, the nipple down my sensor.
Yeah.
The hood in her mouth, come full of vengeance. Do what me do her, but
Are you mean? That's about that biggest clip, but why I'm out of what? On the ear lyrics a while ago. Make we see some more because like don't even know what type of clock. Hey, you know what type of strike over here, so? You know what kind of gunshot of fire over here, so? You don't know what kind of bomb clot, international gunshot of fire over here, the blood clot, international house of pancakes. So run tune.
me good and get a cent.
Yeah.
Me get the pussy free, but me get 10 grand.
Chop
If I 6 bars, then I will get.
Take 10 grand. Take 10 grand. The pussy is good. If you never good, should I get $1,000? Get the pum pum free, but me get her 10 grand. Girl, take money, girl, me rich. What you talk about? Take money. Bumbuckler, go on.
Oh, you fit talk about rich, I'm in the mention.
Chop.
Better than my chop food.
While I pass, we have Hennessy, we have Remy, we have. Oh, well, I'm going to what have. We drink. Who wants some your drinks? Hold on, man. Who wants some your
About rich, I'm in the mention.
Yeah.
Watch it.
Who wants some your drink? You drink Hennessy, you drink Remy, and you drink Dose. No, not Dose. You drink Hennessy and Remy and Bumbo Clot Red Bull. And you can't forget the way I never blood clot overproof rum. What you talk about? You can't forget the blood clot. Hey, you can't forget the dirty white girl there now. Go on!
Them a chop food, and then a box food.
Chop!
And if the money don't come in a bad mood,
Yeah!
one game in a top screw.
Yeah! Fuck we not talk about. Right now if you watch a video right now, dog, you get some pum pum last night, drop a 5 emoji in the comment section. Okay, you don't say you're really Bumbo Clot Gallis. If you watch a video right now, you get some pum pum last night, drop some 5 emoji in the comment section and don't ramp with me. I don't want you to comment about me a pass and I talk too much. You know chop already. Drop some 5 emoji if you get some pum pum last night. And see if it's a bad freak. Little girl, if you're a bad freak and you suck off a boy with last little girl, big up yourself, little girl, you're general. Go on!
Chop food, fat food. My dog, them a pull money like vacuum. UPS deliver.
American dollars too now. We don't walk with cash over there, but we have American dollars too now. We don't really walk with cash in the dog. You see me I say? The credit and the debit. And so we have American dollars too. You see me I say? Hold that girl. You see me I say? Let's get the pussy free, but hold that girl. Little girl. Hold that girl. Hold on, now she gone. Me ratted, I get a flappy show, dog. Bumbo Clot, get a flappy show. If you want this money, hold that girl. Bumbo Clot there. Run tune.
Box food, right on my doorstep. Them nah make no money, them just have a scam a phone job with them with teeth for clients, so you feel bang like one.
Them not make no, them must have a scam of what? They must have a what? What? I squash at all them lyrics and people ears? I never think I go and talk about Bumbo Clot scamming. But hold on, which part of the rules are squash forward from? Run tune and let's shut things down. Run Bumbo Clot tune. Hold on, you like your video yet? Alright, go on!
See them a chop a line and them never build a house. Me a giant in a this, them a the rat, the little mouse. Millions I make.
See them a chop a line and them never build a Bumbo Clot house. And not even that alone in a dog. Them a chop a line for how long, right? 2021 now. If you chop a line from 21, all I'm left Jamaica. You chop a line from 2018, so you left chop a line. You don't build a house yet? I work on the line here, chop. I must say close Bumbo Clot line to do your chop to blood clot. I can't the line here, chop. And the close line here, chop. I must see close line my chop squash. Go on!
Every girl that gets a close, loan buckle way up. And the swimmers them a ropes. Chilling pan the black minute.
I like $30 for one buckle Remy over here, so still, you see me I say, but a Jamaica will pay money that. You see me I say. And this is like a foreign better. But, you know, yeah, but go on! Dog, that's Remy, you feel like Remy Martin, dog, that's up on Bumbo Clot base. Drop 10 grand per girl, I just 100 US, that's still. Go on!
Got them just find a ghost, buy all type of clothes. Chop food, and then a box food. And if the money don't come in, a box.
Chick-fil-A in the background, they must say chop food, and then a box food. Fuck you talk about. I know box food, the dog got chop. You think a lot, me can breed on something we relate to box food chopping. Watch ya. You live in the streets, you see me and say you talk to me, you get some boy, you hustle like 150, 150 like an idea. Remember, some box food like $100 Jamaican dog. I used to live a yard, that's some nothing. You buy a Bumbo Clot box food dog, and then your dog goes to the money. Cut off the top of the box and scrape out the rice, scrape up a piece of the meat. You see me and say give some of the veg. Yes, but on the box food we a chop. Bumbo Clot there, we a chop Kobe's. You see me I say, yeah, go on.
One game in a top screw.
Chop.
Top food. Chop food, fat coop. My dog them a pull money like vacuum. UPS.
The dog them a pull money like vacuum. Right, like when the girl them a suck money like vacuum. Shoop. Hey! Pull up. Bumbo Clot. Hey, hold on, pause. Right now, people. Right now, you look right there, you see that? You see right there, Tariq Vlogs, right? I want you guys to go follow me on Instagram, people. Tariq Bumbo Clot Vlogs. I need to hit 10K followers on the gram. I'm 1K, not even 1K. I'm like 950 followers away from 1K followers on Instagram. Go follow me right now, Tariq Vlogs. So if you watch a video right now and now follow me on Instagram, like Tariq Vlogs. Run, go over there, so go to the right Bumbo Clot thing. I'm going to watch some more of this before we run out of on. Go on!
And a box food.
Chop.
Right on my doorstep. Bang. Bang. Money man a chop. Me no fuck but the pussy when me enter.
We know, you see me, I say, we're going for the right disappointment out there. We not go the back, pump my loan, we enter people. But as I say, we are reaction boss there, we sign out, we don't want to do the tree long, you know I thank her, you see me, I say, don't sound having a life on the bum buckler, you have to go look my knife, go look girl, you see me, I say, I know sound a chopper already, you see me, I say, so because who want to support me? But more to go support the main channel called Terry Blast, because always the bangers them my post, you see me, I say, my gun still peace. Hey!